Hi friend, welcome to Locust Street Cottage. Today I'm going to tell you why I took down my Premier One electric fence. Let's go! Now if you recall, my plan was to run the bunnies with the chickens so that they could prepare the yard so that I could oversee it so we would have plenty of pasture for the bunnies and the chickens. And this system was working pretty much. I mean, Quinn kept getting out, but eventually he did learn and I figured out how to keep him in. And so it was working pretty well. Since Quinn was the actual only problem, he is back in the bunny annex. Everybody else have been let out. Hello, kitty. Are you being a good bunny? These trouble bunnies kept slipping through the Premier One fence that I had for them. So I thought, let's see how they do in the yard. The fence is still out here in case I change my mind. This fence is still up for the chickens. Nobody is using it. It just stopped raining. Do you see that bouncing thing over there on the other side of the fence? Yeah, trouble bunnies don't care about electric netting. Hey there, Callie. Are you having a good time? There's a trouble bunny. Oh, look over there. There's another trouble bunny. And Mr. Flower is hanging out in some brush. For the record, this is really cutting down on our feed bill. That's right, eat that. Yep, eat it up. It's been 3 or 4 days now, and this system is working great. Turns out that the bunnies do put themselves away. They will go into their hutch, especially during the day. Many times they just kind of hang out in the brush or in the logs. But it was interesting to note that I could see on my bunny cam, when it was pouring down rain today, everybody went back in the hutch. Because bunnies are so territorial, they don't really leave. Look at Callie. She's a good girl. Obviously, this system will not work for people that live in the country or near the forest or have really aggressive neighbor dogs. Fortunately, we only have 3 aggressive neighbor dogs and their owners have fenced in the yard, so there's no chance of them getting over here. My chicken system needs some work. That lady is not supposed to be over there. Come back! Come back! You're worse than the bunnies. So I just want to say it's okay to think outside the box. It's okay to change your mind. And I'll probably change this system again as my needs change. But right now, these bunnies are having a blast being raised on grass in my entire yard. I only have 0.22 acres. And I have them stuck in the backyard. We have it completely fenced. So the only difficulty I've found, Calico found my supplemental lettuce this morning. So you can see they were about that big. Not really big, but I just planted some extra back here with the asparagus. And she had a little feast today. I watched her from my window, so it's not like I didn't know what was going on. But I think I'd rather take that Premier One fence and fence in my small garden in the backyard than fence in the rabbits. Pockets! You're worse than the bunnies. Get out of there. Go on. Oh, naughty. No, naughty. Does anyone know what's going on with the mushrooms in Missouri? Or is this due to using rabbit manure? I'm so glad you joined me today. This guy needs his breakfast. Talk to you later. Bye.